All right, I'm back down here in Northeast Philly near the Roosevelt Mall. I'm gonna see if I can get any closer, but there's a ton of people down here still. A ton of cops, of course. I had my drone up for a little bit. They had it restricted, but I was still able to fly down close to it. So I will post that in this video too. What a sad sight or story this is, man. Little pediatric patient going to Shriners Hospital for a mercy surgery or whatever. They do them for, free, kind of. That's what Shriners Hospital does. So, just a sad situation. I'm gonna turn this around. Sorry, I got the burps. I just went and had Jay's steaks for lunch. This is where we are, right on Bustleton Ave right now. Here's the Jollibee here. People are familiar with this area. You can see they got all the, hold on. Hold on. Where is it at? Helicopters in the air. I'm gonna try and get to my buddies. One of the guys that watched this, I was in jail with, get to his house. One of the bodies landed like on the roof next to his house, so it's pretty crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it around now. Oh, shit. You still can't get anywhere near it. I don't know how close. This is about as close as I could get last time. It was right down to here. You can see all the different media and stuff here. This looks like about as far as I'll be able to go. Where did it land? Right there?
It's on the other side of the street.
On this side here?
Yeah.
My buddy lives right the next block down, right on the right. They said a body landed right on his roof, right next to his house.
Really?
There's a body on his on the roof. Yeah, there's a picture of it floating around somewhere. It was the one of the medics. They said.
What was it?
So right 2 streets down here on the right, or 3, my buddy's house. He said there was one of the medics' bodies landed right on the roof. It was kind of like laying off of the roof. He's got pictures of it and everything. And when he ran outside, he said one of the first things he saw was just a woman walking around just completely on fire right here. He lives, I mean, right there.
Yeah, it's like
Crazy, right?
Is his house okay?
Yeah, I was trying to get over there. He was trying to get me over there for my YouTube channel to get closer video, but you have to have a ID with the address to get in, which makes complete sense. I understand. I just was selfishly trying to get closer to film.
There was a body on his roof?
Yeah, and then there's a foot in a shoe.
Yeah.
He stepped out of his house about 20 feet, he said. He thought we were getting bombed, he said.
Yeah, sure. What else would you think?
Yeah.
Right?
He's like, he figured we were getting bombed or something. And he ran out, he started screaming to help people, and looked down, he saw someone on fire this way, walked the other way, and saw a leg just laying there, in a shoe.
Think about that pediatric patient.
Yeah, I know.
On a strapped in.
Yeah. How many times have we stopped at the sides? It's crazy.
And if you see it going down, I mean, it was like a missile going down.
Did they get anything yet? They didn't know anything that fucking happened.
They had an aviation expert on who was saying at that angle, there's no reason that the plane should be flying at that angle.
Yeah.
He interpreted it as a malfunction in the plane's equipment.
Yeah. I went back down to the crash site around 3 o'clock yesterday. I wanted to try and see if I could get a better view of the crash site with my drone. It was very windy yesterday, and I had seagulls dive bombing the drone. So I wasn't able to keep it up that long, but I was able to get a couple good views of it. It's amazing the destruction that happened down here. You could see all the windows blown out there. The cars that one of these burnt up cars here is where the person unfortunately died in. Now I wanted to show you guys coming up here how close this crash was to Center City, Philadelphia. As you can see there, we're not that far at all. Now you can see the different officials. We got the NTSB, the FBI, and the ATF all down there collecting evidence. I don't think they located the black boxes yet. As of recording this, they said they haven't, but that could have changed overnight. So this is about an hour and a half later from that original drone flight. I was hoping the wind would die down. That wasn't the case. As you can see, that tarp ripping everywhere. The sun was a lot farther down on the horizon, so that was its own set of challenges here. But I was able to get a good, couple minutes of video, and you can see the workers, the agents, and the firefighters and all that combing through, looking for different stuff. It's just crazy that this happened right there at the Roosevelt Mall. Normally, during rush hour, this is a literal parking lot on these streets. It's an area I avoid like the plague during rush hour.
And with the mall there, if it was a little bit nicer out, this would have been a lot worse than it was. I think we got lucky because of the rain and the relatively cold temperatures that night. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys watching this. There's only a couple minutes left. I really don't have anything else to say, but what a crazy event this was. Thanks for watching, guys.